Life can change in an instant. A diagnosis, an accident, a sudden trauma. These moments shake us to our core, physically, emotionally, mentally, spiritually. Resilience is our ability to face these challenges, to adapt, to recover, to grow stronger. But resilience is not magic. It is a skill, a muscle we can build. Today, we'll explore practical, research-backed tools to help you rebuild resilience after illness or trauma. What is resilience? Resilience means bending without breaking. It's not about ignoring pain. It's about acknowledging it, learning from it, growing through it. Research from the American Psychological Association defines resilience as the process of adapting well in the face of adversity, trauma, tragedy, threats, or significant stress. Resilient people don't just survive, they thrive. The impact of chronic illness and trauma. Chronic illness and trauma affect your whole being. Your body may feel weak, your mind foggy, your emotions raw. You might experience pain fatigue, anxiety, depression, SOC-IL, isolation. These symptoms are natural responses, but they don't define you. The science behind resilience. Studies show that resilience is linked to brain plasticity. Your brain can rewire itself, form new connections. The prefrontal cortex, responsible for decision-making and emotional regulation, plays a key role. The amygdala, your brain's fear center, can become overactive with trauma. Mindfulness, therapy, and positive social connections help calm the amygdala. These changes support emotional balance and resilience. Tool 1. Mindful awareness. Mindfulness trains your brain to stay present. It reduces rumination on past trauma or future fears. Simple mindfulness practice. Sit quietly. Focus on your breath. Notice sensations. When your mind wanders, gently return. Daily practice strengthens emotional regulation. Journaling prompt. What thoughts come up during mindfulness? How do they make you feel? Tool 2. Building support networks. Social connection is critical. Humans are wired for connection. Isolation worsens trauma effects. Connection heals. Reach out to trusted friends, family, or support groups. Groups for trauma survivors or chronic illness patients provide understanding. Reflection. Who in your life supports your healing? How can you nurture these relationships? Tool 3. Movement adapted to you. Physical activity releases endorphins, improves mood, boosts energy. But after illness or trauma, movement must be gentle. Yoga, stretching, tai chi, or slow walks are great. Start small, celebrate progress. Action. Try 5 minutes of gentle stretching daily. Increase gradually. Tool 4. Emotional expression. Bottling emotions prolongs pain. Express feelings safely. Journaling. After talking with therapists or loved ones, allow yourself to grieve losses. Anger is valid. Therapies like EMDR or somatic experiencing address trauma deeply. Tool 5. Setting realistic goals. Big goals can overwhelm. Break recovery into small steps. Celebrate each milestone. Write your goals. Track progress. Adjust as needed. Reflection. What small goal can you achieve today? How will you celebrate? Tool 6. Prioritizing rest and sleep. Rest is vital. Sleep heals body and brain. Develop a calming bedtime routine. Avoid caffeine and screens before bed. Aim for 7-9 hours. Tip. Create a restful environment. Cool. Soul sounds. Accept quiet. Tool 7. Nutrition for healing. Nutrition fuels repair. Eat nutrient-dense foods. Antioxidants combat inflammation. Protein rebuilds tissues. Omega-3 fatty acids support brain health. Stay hydrated. Tip. Consider consulting a dietitian. Tool 8. Cultivating a positive mindset. Hope fosters resilience. Use affirmations. Visualize healing. Replace negative self-talk. Mindset shifts take practice. Journaling prompt. Write down 3 positive affirmations today. Tool 9. Faith and spirituality. Faith can be a source of strength. Spiritual practices promote peace. Prayer, meditation, or nature connection nurture soul. Faith communities provide support. Tool 10. Professional help. Healing sometimes needs guidance. Therapists, counselors, or coaches can help. Don't hesitate to seek support. Real-life story. James's journey. James survived a heart attack. He felt lost and scared. With therapy and mindfulness, he rebuilt his life. He joined a support group, practiced gentle yoga. James learned to set boundaries. Months later, he regained strength. He shares his story to inspire others. Reflective questions. What does resilience mean to you? What tools resonate most? What's one step you can take today? Final thoughts. Resilience is a journey. It requires patience, self-compassion, support. Every day is an opportunity. You are stronger than you know. Visit bloomhealthhaven.com and edithspro.com for detailed guides and community. Empowering wellness. Embracing life.